welcome ladies and gentlemen. I hope everyone is good. Today we will know about the facts against vitamin A deficiency disease. Okay, let's start. An estimated 250 million preschool children are affected by vitamin A deficient disease in the world. About 250,000 to 500,000 children in the developing world go blind each year from a deficiency of vitamin A, around half of whom die within a year of becoming blind. There are three vitamin A deficiency diseases, namely night blindness, hyperkeratosis and keratomalacia. Night blindness, also called nyctalopia, is a condition making it difficult or impossible to see in relatively low light. It can be described as insufficient adaptation to darkness. According to World Health Organization, globally night blindness affects 5.2 million preschool age less than 5 years children and 9.8 million pregnant women. Hyperkeratosis is when the outer layer of the skin is thickened. The outer layer of the skin will contain keratin, which is a protective protein. It is a form of keratosis, which is a skin disorder caused by overproduction of keratin. Keratomalacia is an eye disorder. The resulting cornea becomes totally opaque, which is one of the most common reasons for blindness around the world, particularly in developing countries. To prevent this diseases, you have to meet the Recommended Dietary Allowance (RDA) of vitamin A. The RDA is the estimated amount of a nutrient per day considered necessary for the maintenance of good health by the Food and Nutrition Board of the National Research Council or National Academy of Science. Beside RDA, you should know about the tolerable upper intake level upper limit of vitamin A. Upper limit is the highest level of nutrient intake that is likely to pose no risk of adverse health effects for almost all individuals in the general population. As intake increases above the upper limit, the risk of adverse effects increases. The Recommended Dietary Allowance (RDA) and upper limit of vitamin A of different ages are given below for you. Infants Recommended Dietary Allowance (RDA). Age 0 to 6 months RDA equals 400 microgram per day and upper limits 500 microgram per day. Age 7 to 12 months RDA equals 600 microgram per day and upper limits 600 microgram per day. Children Recommended Dietary Allowance (RDA). Age 1 to 3 years RDA equals 300 microgram per day and upper limits 600 microgram. Age 4 to 8 years RDA equals 400 microgram per day and upper limits 900 microgram per day. Males Recommended Dietary Allowance (RDA). Age 9 to 13 years RDA equals 600 microgram per day and upper limits 1700 microgram per day. Age 14 to 18 years RDA equals 900 microgram per day and upper limits 2800 microgram per day. Age 19 years and above RDA equals 900 microgram per day and upper limits 3000 microgram per day. Females Recommended Dietary Allowance (RDA). Age 9 to 13 years RDA equals 600 microgram per day and upper limits 1700 microgram per day. Age 14 to 18 years RDA equals 700 microgram per day and upper limits 2800 microgram per day. Age 19 years and above RDA equals 700 microgram per day and upper limits 3000 microgram per day. Pregnancy Recommended Dietary Allowance (RDA). Age less than 19 years RDA equals 750 microgram per day and upper limits 2800 microgram per day. Age greater than 19 years RDA equals 770 microgram per day and upper limits 3000 microgram per day. Lactation Recommended Dietary Allowance (RDA). Age less than 19 years RDA equals 1200 microgram per day and upper limits 2800 microgram per day. Age greater than 19 years RDA equals 1300 microgram per day and upper limits 3000 microgram per day. Sources of vitamin A. 100 gram cod liver oil contain 30,000 microgram vitamin A. 100 gram liver turkey contain 8,058 microgram vitamin A. 100 gram liver beef or fish contains 6,500 microgram vitamin A. 100 gram liver chicken contain 3,296 microgram vitamin A. 100 gram ghee contain 3,069 microgram vitamin A. 100 gram capsicum red contain 2,081 microgram vitamin A. 100 gram sweet potato contain 961 microgram vitamin A. 100 gram carrot contain 835 microgram vitamin A. 100 gram broccoli 800 microgram vitamin A. 100 gram butter contains 684 microgram vitamin A. 100 gram kale contains 681 microgram vitamin A. 100 gram butternut squash contain 532 microgram vitamin A. 1 gram dandelion greens contain 508 microgram vitamin A. 100 gram spinach contain 469 microgram vitamin A. 100 gram pumpkin contain 426 microgram vitamin A. 1 gram collard greens contain 333 microgram vitamin A. 100 gram cheddar cheese contain 265 microgram vitamin A. 100 gram cantaloupe melon contain 169 microgram vitamin A. 100 gram egg contain 140 microgram vitamin A. 100 gram papaya contain 55 microgram vitamin A. 100 gram tomatoes contain 42 microgram vitamin A. 100 gram mango contain 38 microgram vitamin A. 100 gram pea contain 38 microgram vitamin A. 100 gram milk contain 28 microgram vitamin A. Now you can easily calculate your per day need of vitamin A. Suppose you are above 19 years female. According to RDA you have to take 700 microgram vitamin A per day. So you should take 2.33 gram cod liver oil or 8.69 gram turkey liver or 10.77 gram beef liver in a day. Common calculation of per day food requirement equals 100 divided the amount of vitamin A per 100 gram. Then multiply by the amount. For more details you can see the reference given in video description. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like the video. If the video come to your any advantage, please like and share this video. If you already subscribed this channel, thanks again. Otherwise please subscribe the channel for getting update videos. We wish you a great healthy life.